I am here with a quick video. Basically, it's not a Lego video today, but it's a thank you video because we had a package come the other day for our studio because basically we use DX Racer chairs here in the studio for like when we're editing and stuff like that because they're a very comfortable chair and they're great for gaming and watching TV and everything. And I have a bad back, and let me tell you that it's the most comfortable chair ever for a bad back that I have been able to find. So we had a couple of them. We had one actually, the base on it shattered. Okay, incredibly, I don't know how it did, but it did. And I was able to obtain the replacement parts right through their website, and it was replaceable because they have a lifetime warranty on their frame. And with the package of the new part came a swag bag, and you know, I got to say thank you guys because that was incredible. You didn't have to send that as well, but let me just say thanks to the guys at DX Racer for pulling out these swag bags for us. Very, very great. And of course it had some stuff in it, so let me show you what it is. We got a couple beautiful lanyards to use while we're either gaming or doing videos or whatever we want to do with them. And we got like a bunch of DX Racer stickers to put on our laptop or camera or whatever. And we got some these silicone wristbands, so that was really great. And also one of these cool little things that you put on the back of your phone, and it pops out and you can hold it between your fingers and hold your phone for filming or whatever. So this will be used when we're using the phone and that for filming. So thank you guys at DX Racer for such great service and for the swag bag. Muchly appreciated. Love it and love the product, love the chairs. I just want to let you know that this video is not paid for by and or a promotional video for these guys. This is just something I wanted to do to say thank you. Thanks guys, really appreciate this. This is awesome. Check them out, DX Racer chairs. If you have not, dxracer.ca here in Canada or dxracer.com in the US or maybe around the rest of the world. Check them out. The chairs may be a little bit expensive, but they're worth it. And I'll catch you guys again in another video.